Hi guys, this is going to be a perfect binge watch skincare layering video because I'm going to simplify the layers for you. Layer 1 or step 1 of your skincare is a face wash. Use it morning and evening. Step 2 is going to be your toner application. The green one or the tea tree toner for oily skin and the peach toner for dry or combination skin. Once you've done step 1 and 2, you will start with your serum layering. Now, if you have brown spots, uneven skin tone, pigmentation, you will use the brown spot corrector. This also works on whiteheads, blackheads, or melasma all over your face. If you don't have these concerns, you can skip this completely. Step 2 is your under eye serum. Now, your under eye serum is a must for all of us. Even if you use an eye cream, this will still be before your eye cream application. Once you've applied the corrective serums, you then apply the hyaluronic serum for morning or the collagen serum for night. This is an overall serum for your face, neck, and whatever is left, apply onto your hands as well. The next step of your skincare routine, which is step 4, is going to be your Hydra Bright Oxy Cream, which is for your morning application, or if you have oily skin, this is going to be for your day and night application. And then your Night Nourish Cream for a combination or dry skin, because in that case you will use this as your day cream and this as your night cream. If you have excessive dryness onto your skin, you will skip this and only use this cream morning and evening. At this stage, you could use ice globes, jade rollers, or any other face tool to seal in the product furthermore. It also gives it a few seconds or a minute to absorb the product into your skin. Remember, the key to layering is giving it breaks, giving it time so that the product can get into the deeper layers before you move on to the next one. Now, this is the complete layering process. You can skip any step here. If your pores get clogged, you have too much of acne, then you will be using acne drying products in accordance, which you can take our recommendations through the HOB page. The final step of your skincare layering will be choosing your face oils, from tea tree oil for oily skin to peach oil for all skin types to our Super Boost fishy oil for dry skin. Now remember, when you use this for the daytime, you will top it up with a sunscreen, but at night you do not need to use sunscreen, of course, because even sunscreen can age you aggressively while it's protecting you. The last step of your skincare routine would be your intrinsic glow from the inside, which is where our collagen or hair vitamin tablets come into play, because we don't want to be glowing just from the outside, but we want good health from the inside as well. I hope this routine is easy, simplified for all of you. If you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments. Happy pampering!